One other thing to keep in mind about refusals based on personal assets and financial status, it's really, really, really important that if your studies are being funded by a third party, meaning not yourself and realistically not your parents if you're over a certain age. If it's someone totally different from your immediate family, like an aunt, an uncle, a sibling, a cousin, someone, even a friend, even your employer maybe, or your parents' employer, if it's not you yourself paying, or it's not your mom or your dad paying, it's really important to make sure that you demonstrate you have access to these funds. Because what immigration does not want is someone to arrive in Canada and, their auntie or their uncle is supposed to be paying their tuition fees, but then maybe they just decided not to. Maybe they just decided, you know what, I'd rather not do that. Or maybe they've fallen on hard times themselves. Maybe, there was a worldwide pandemic and their business isn't making money like it was before. Regardless of the reason, it's really, really, really important to show that you personally, the applicant, have access to these funds, even if they're in the account belonging to a third party. An IRCC will refuse an application immediately if they think, yeah, okay, this person has money over here, but do you have access to that money? Is this going to be available for next semester when it's time to pay tuition? Because if they don't think it is, that's going to go straight for refusal. So one of the most important things you can do to sort of avoid that kind of refusal is make sure it's crystal clear in the application how you, the applicant, have access to the money that belongs to a third party.